Hello, my dear students. So, in today's class, we are going to see some multiple choice questions. So, we'll discuss from chapter 1, and this is part 1. So, we'll move directly to the questions. So, question number 1, the values of x and y in the given figure are dash. So, we have to find what is this x value and what is this y value. And here are four options. Option A, x equal to 10, y equal to 4. Option B, x equal to 21, y equal to 84. Option C, x equal to 21, y equal to 25. Option D, x equal to 10 and y equal to 40. So we have to find the solution, that is x and y. Okay. So for that, first thing what we are going to do is just look at the numbers. Okay. So y. Y is actually a product of 4 and x. Okay. We don't know x, so we cannot find y here. Now you see x. X is actually a product of 3 and 7. So 3 and 7. What is 3 into 7? Product of 3 and 7? It is 21, right? So this x will be 21 and the product of 4 and 21 will be y value. So we'll see. So we have 3 and 7 over here, right? And this gives you x value. So 3 and 7. Just find the product of 3 and 7. What is 3 into 7? It is 21. So the x value will be nothing but 21. Now see the question. We have 4. Okay. 4 and this 21, when you multiply, when you find the product of 4 and 21, you'll get the answer for y. So here we have another number 4. So we have to find the product of this 4 and 21. So what is the product of that? That answer will be y. Okay. So 4 and 21, if you multiply, you'll get 84. Right. So what is the answer for this question? X is 21. We got x as 21 and y as 84. So this is the answer, 21 and 84. So see, in the option A is not the answer. Option B, 21 and 84. We got it, right? So option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, now we'll move to question number 2. So see the question here. The maximum number of factors of a prime number are dash. Okay, so we have four options here again. Option A is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3 and option D is 4. So what is the question? See here, maximum number of factors of a prime number. Okay, so to solve this, we'll take a prime number. So I'm going to take a prime number 3. So what are the factors of 3? If you take 3 in third table, we are getting 1 time. So what are the factors of 3? 3 can be written as 1 into 3 alone, right? Or we can write as 3 into 1. So how many factors are there for 3? Just 2 factors are there for 3, right? So see here, the question was maximum number of factors. How many factors are there? Just 2 factors are there. So 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, now we'll move to the third question. So the third question is the prime factors of the denominator of the fraction 3 by 80 are. So we have to find the prime factors of the denominator of this fraction, that is 80. We have to find the prime factors of 80. So we'll find, so 80, we'll start with 2, 40. Again, if we start with 2, we'll get 20 times. Again in 2, 10 times. Again with 2, 5 times. Again with 5, 1 time. So here the question is prime factors. We need prime factors alone, right? Okay, so see here, what are the prime factors here? We have 2, how many times? 4 times, and 5, 1 time. So what are the factors here? 2 and 5, right? So see in the option whether we have 2 and 5 alone. We have option B. So 2 and 5. So this is the answer for the third question. I hope that this is clear for everyone. Okay, now we'll move to the fourth question. If A and B are co-prime, then A square and B square are dash. Okay, so A and B both are co-prime. So what is co-prime? You might have learned already this in your lower classes, right? Co-prime is nothing but they will have a common factor Okay, only one. Only one will be the common factor for them. So if I take A and B, instead of A and B, I'm going to use numbers 2 and 3. Okay, so here the question is A and B are co-prime numbers. Okay, their common factor is only 1. Just check it. 2, what is the common factor? 2 and 1 here. 3, you'll get 3 and 1. So what is the common factor here? Only 1 is the common factor. Now our question is, we have to find A square and B squares factor. Okay, if A and B are co-prime, this is co-prime. That is proved already. So we have to find if A square and B square, if you're taking, what will be the answer? Whether the result will be even number or not co-prime, odd number or co-prime. We have to find that. So we have to take the square of these numbers. So square of 2 and square of 3. Square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. So if you take the factor of 4, you will get this value, and for 9, 3 times, again 1 time. So see here now, if we compare these two factors, what is common? Again, only 1 is common here, right? So what is the result again? It is a co-prime, right? A and B are co-prime, then A square and B square will also be a co-prime. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the final question, question number 5. So if A and B, A greater than B, so they have given A and B are two odd prime numbers where A is greater than B, we have to find A square minus B square. What is the result of that? Whether it is a composite number or even number or odd prime or even prime. Okay, so even prime or odd prime or prime. So A and B are two odd prime numbers. So instead of A, I'm going to take it as 3. Okay, instead of B, I'm going to take it as 5. They are two odd prime numbers. Okay, they have given A is greater than B, right? So we'll take it as, maybe we can take it as 13. Okay, and A is 13. This is greater than B. So we got two odd prime numbers where A is greater than B. Now, A square minus B square. We have to find the value for A square minus B square. Okay, so A is 13 and B is 5. So we have to find A square minus B square. So we'll square this. So 13 square minus 5 square. So what is it? 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25. So when you subtract this, you'll get it as 144, right? So what is 144? 144 is an even number, right? Even number, but they have given the option as even prime. It is not an even prime. Then what is the other option? Composite number. You know what is meant by composite number? It has more than two factors. 144 has more than two factors. Okay, so this is the answer. It is composite. Okay, so we got the answer for this question. So it is composite. So I hope that this session is really useful for everyone. And I hope that all this 5 MCQ problem is clear. Okay, so in the next class, we'll do another question, another maybe 5 questions or more than 5 from another topic. Okay, thank you for watching.